Hi everybody and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sean and I'm going to make a couple of juices for you today, smoothies. So the first thing I'm going to do is fire starter. So we're going to squeeze enough oranges to get 2 cups of juice, and then we're also going to squeeze enough lemon to get 2 tablespoons, and followed by the juice of 1 ginger and then some oregano oil, and then we'll put it all in the Vitamix. Okay, see you then. Thank you. Okay, so we blended the oranges. It took about 5 oranges to get 2 cups. We have 2 cups of orange juice here. We have 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice there. We're going to put 2 to 3 drops of this oregano, and this is about a 1-inch piece of ginger. So let's blend it all up. Now we've blended everything together. We're going to go ahead and remove it, and it does say to serve chilled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to taste it just a little bit. So it started out as 2 cups, but because I've added the lemon juice and the ginger, it's coming out to be a little bit more, maybe 2 cups and 1 ounce. So I'm going to taste it, but then I'm going to chill it so that I can actually drink it. Okay, and just put a little bit here to taste. I like it. I like it. It's great. So I can imagine it when it's chilled. So there we have it. That's the fire starter. Okay, so next we're going to do the super detoxifier. So we're going to make a mise en place of the cilantro, mint, papaya, strawberries, dates, milk thistle, soaked almonds, and then coconut water. So we'll see you then. Okay, so for our super detoxifier, we have our mise en place. We have 1 cup of cilantro. We have a half a cup of mint. We have 1 cup of papaya with a teaspoon of the papaya seeds. We have a pint of strawberries. We have 4 dates, which have already been soaked. We have 2 tablespoons of milk thistle. We have a cup of almonds, which has also already been soaked. And we have a cup of coconut water. So now we're going to take the ingredients of our mise en place and we're going to add it to the blender. The cup of cilantro, the half a cup of mint, the cup of papaya, the teaspoon of papaya seeds, the pint of strawberries, the 4 dates, milk thistle, 1 cup of soaked almonds, and 1 cup of coconut water. Okay, so now we're going to blend it up in the Vitamix and we'll be back with you. Alright, so now it's blended. This is the super detox. Let's just try a little bit here. It's very thick actually. Much more thick than I expected. Taste. Taste the mint really strong. Taste the strawberries. It's actually good. With a straw, I would love to drink it. It's actually, and you can taste the cilantro as well. So this super detoxifier, this is really great to pull heavy metals out of the body. So enjoy. Hi again. So now we're going to make the Vibrant Skin Smoothie. And so this smoothie is really great source of vitamins A and C and high in water content. And then dill also is a natural diuretic. It has great calming properties. So we're going to create our mise en place. We're going to cut up the cucumber here, and we're also going to cut open our avocado and slice that up. We'll just cut it in some big chunks. And then we're also going to add our cashews, which have been soaking in water. We're going to drain those. We're going to add this baby bok choy. We're going to add just a half a cup of this dill. We'll cut that up. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice. We're going to add some sea salt, some white pepper, and then a cup of water. So we're going to create the mise en place and we'll be back. Okay, so we've composed the mise en place for the Vibrant Skin Smoothie. Again, we have the cucumber. We're going to go ahead and add that. You know what I want to do? I do want to just cut it down a little bit. I don't think I have to cut it too much, but I am going to just cut it maybe this in half and just let that chunk go. So we have one cucumber. We have one avocado. We're just going to go ahead and scrape that right in. We have half a cup of cashews that have already been soaked and drained. We have one baby bok choy. I think we're going to go ahead and cut the bottom off of that. Sorry. Maybe just chop down the leaves a bit. And then we're going to go ahead and just drop that in. Get those leaves in there. And then we also have our half a cup of dill. And then we have a tablespoon of lemon juice. And we have half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. And we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we have, which we may have wanted to put on the bottom, but I think it'll still be okay. We have 1 cup of water, cool water from the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this up in the Vitamix and I'll be right with you. Okay, so this again is the Vibrant Skin Smoothie, and it is full of vitamin A and vitamin C, and it's high in water content, and with the dill, it's a natural diuretic, and so there certainly is a vibrant green here. I generally prefer my smoothies to be really cold, so I probably in an ideal situation would add maybe a couple of ice cubes to it. And also remember it has great calming properties, So let's see. The main thing you taste here is, I'm going to say the avocado I taste really strongly, and the dill really strongly. I think with some ice, it's actually a nice, cold and refreshing smoothie. So thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope that you try some of these recipes and enjoy.